year there's about 10 to 15 schools looking to be there still in April playing in Thurles, or in this case playing in Nowlan Park. So for the CBS to be able to lift the cup for the first time in 33 years, it'll be a dream come true, really.
Obviously you'd be hoping to get a win, but you'd be dreaming of that, winning an All-Ireland since you came into the school in first year. And after seeing all the people that came before you, and all the famous hurlers like GAA and Henry Shefflin, you'd nearly take it as given, like winning something, but you don't realise how difficult it is when you're there.
That was perfect, really, especially with the Kenny game afterwards. In the second half, the atmosphere really got going, like, and to win 2 in a row, having beaten Kieran's twice, was huge, like first time in the school's history. So it was a great day for all of us.
It wasn't too much about the loss, it was more our performance I was disappointed with, and my own performance obviously, and it was kind of a group of individuals nearly going out there against a team like that were working together and moving well, and it was just a horrible feeling, really.
I'm sure with the first ever same city final, I'd say it'll be an exceptional crowd out, really. 5 o'clock was the perfect time for people at work and the like of that, so I'd say it'll be a huge crowd. Hopefully we'll be able to put on a performance.
Hoping there'll be thousands of people here, maybe the whole city, maybe, filled with friends and family, and you'd know everybody, you could look up and see everybody in the crowd. It's just a great feeling, it'd make you feel more at home, I suppose, as well, playing out there in front of everyone, you know.
A lot of us, this is our last hour on the pitch with the CBS, so we can't really let pressure come into it. We just have to finish the job and get the silverware in.
Personally, like, it'd mean the world to me, like, but as it would to everyone, really. That's how you get here, really. Everyone dying for each other and that willingness to win it.